This video talking about the masking. So in order to do the masking, you need one composition and then two footage, which means two video. So you need to put the background video to your timeline, which is the ocean footage that I'm going to use. And then if you want to make it smaller, just expand it, expand the transform to track with the size. Okay, so you can still make it smaller for the background, make it fit into the screen. Next thing, okay, I will lock this one, or I change the color, which is purple. This is my background video. And another one will be the masking. Okay, so I just put the clip tool on top of my background. Okay, I change my color to red. Okay, so this color block here, the red color block here, will be the one I do the masking. So if you want to do the masking, make sure always do the masking on the top instead of the background. Okay, so when we look at the video, you can see this wooden, right? So after you pass this wooden, I don't want to see the glass, I want to see the ocean. So how we're going to do this? So in order for you to do, move your playhead to the beginning. Okay, and then the next thing you do is, before you use the pen tool to do the masking, select your clip tool first. Make sure this layer selected. Okay, use your pen tool. Simply create a box outside of this video. Okay, so you see there's a box already. Now we want to animate the point inside. So expand your mask. Okay, expand your mask one. In order for you to adjust the point, make sure the mask path is not selected. Use your selection tool. Okay, and then click outside of this layer timeline here. Mask path, stopwatch, check. Okay, click outside again. Now you see the round dot. So when you see the round dot, you can play the video to check when is the wooden to pass. Let's say you find it is very lag when you preview, so you can change the resolution to third or quarter, so it make it smoother for you to preview. Here, let's see. Okay. You want to be accurate, then zoom in your timeline, edit frame by frame. Okay, let's say something like this. Okay, move your point. Okay, until you finish the whole video. Okay, again. So we can follow the step to do it. So now we can start to see the ocean, which is our background. So other than just a video, you can just put whatever thing you want, like image and so on. So adjust the point until the video ends. Okay, almost end. Okay, make the box outside of the video, so the masking is done. Now you can see different keyframe here, which is our video, so I just shorten our video. Okay, now you can preview. So you can see the ocean slowly come out.